Friends, Running Kimono here. These are the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 9th to the 15th of August. A lot of them are in store, some of them are curbside, so let's get right into it. Before we do, though, I just wanted to point something out. I was at Walgreens yesterday and I was tap dancing down that detergent aisle, and this product I just see a lot of it at a lot of stores and nothing's moving. Walgreens has already put it at 50% off. I think they're going to clear the whole thing. When this goes 75, I still think even at 50% because the average shopper has no idea what this is. I think we're going to be able to get this on the really cheap. So it's basically like a pod that's both the liquid and the dryer sheet. Other companies have done these before, but this is not interesting to anyone. We currently have a $2 digital coupon, so let's wait and see what happens. I think they didn't offer a high enough coupon for the average customer to try it or couponers to try it, but it's just lingering at so many stores. I even know that it's on a huge rollback, couple bucks off at Walmart too. Let me know in the comments down below because I know there's a lot of like detergent nerds out there like me. What are your thoughts on this? Because I think it's going to go 75, and I think a lot of us are going to be able to pick it up at that price point. Get right into these paper deals. The first couple are done in store specifically, and I'm sorry, guys, I didn't get a nice picture of this tag. But these are the 3-ply. It's the 2 = 6, which is a huge amount of paper towel, especially if you live in an apartment and you want some nice paper towel, but you don't have the room to have huge things of paper towel. This is perfect because it is true to the 2 = 6 because one of these rolls will last you quite some time. So the promotion for this week is to buy 2 to get back a $5 register reward. Typically with this company, it's always a $3 register reward, but the 5 is just a little bit more magical. So I would definitely do this deal if you can swing it. And we currently have a $1 digital coupon off of the Brawny. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $12.98. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $11.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you're limited on space, this is a fantastic product to grab. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is a paper deal. These are buy one, get one 50% off on the Scott. You can either get this one, which is a 6er, or the 12 count that is not scented. This one is scented. Buy one, get one 50% off, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon for both the toilet paper and the paper towel. Now, I know the paper towel a lot of you really don't like because it seems like you don't get a lot of paper towel on these rolls, and I've noticed that too because I have animals and we go through a lot of paper towel. So you can either do all 4, or you could just do two toilet papers, or buy 2 toilet papers and 2 paper towels. You're going to load the following coupons if you want to do all 4, which is the 2 off of 2 for the paper towel and the 2 off of 2 for the toilet paper. Go unscented for the 12 or the scented for the 6. So grabbing, again, 2 of each, 2 paper towels, 2 toilet papers. After the buy one, get one 50% off, that's going to be $15. Subtracting the two $2 coupons, that's $4 melting off. It's 11 for 4 or $2.75 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you were just going to grab the toilet paper, it would be 2 for $7.50. Subtracting that $2 coupon, it's $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per bag of toilet paper. Stock up. This is a smart item to grab right now. Okay, deal number 3 is the Quilted Northern Angel Soft. When you buy 2 of these at $10.99, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Currently, we have $1 off the Quilted Northern, nothing for Angel Soft. Grabbing 1 of each, or you can grab 2 Quilteds if you wish, at $10.99 times 2 is $21.98. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $20.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $15.98 for the 2 or $7.99 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have large register rewards that you want to throw into this to get a smaller out of pocket, I think that's definitely the way to go. This promotion is back, which I'm always happy to see. It's to buy 4 P&G paper products to get back a $5 register reward. Currently, we have $1 off the Charmin and $1 off the Bounty Essential. The Puffs doesn't have one, but if you're trying to collect like Kleenex and that sort of stuff for back to school, this might be the way to go. But just to give you visuals on the coupons, it's that yellow paper towel called Essentials on the right, and then one of these products you get $1 off, priced at $5.49. Make sure you're paying attention to how things are tagged in store. So grabbing an assortment, it's $21.96. Subtracting the $2 digital, you're paying $19.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $14.96 for the 4 or $3.74 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but at least make sure that you're getting the Bounty Essential and then one paper product that's corresponding with that dollar digital. And on my account, I didn't have another $2 of digital coupons. Maybe yours does, but mine does not. With back to school being around the corner for a lot of parents out there, they have a lot of Kleenex brand products, reasonably cheap. This is a 3 for $5. These are called the Snap and Go. I think IBOTTA had a rebate for this, but I haven't seen it in a while. But just hang on to your receipt. You have up to a week post to apply for it. But 3 of these for $5, that would go perfect in a backpack for one of your kids, like why not? So, yep. And these Kleenexes, it's the 3 count, so they're the larger boxes than the cubes. They're 2 for $10 or $5 each. Original price $6.99. So if you wanted to stock up on this, especially if you have to get a bunch of Kleenex for your kids' classrooms for back to school, it's just a cheap workaround using Walgreens cash or register rewards or whatever you might have. Final deal that we're looking at, we're doing this curbside, and it is to throw in 3 of the Walgreens brand toilet papers, paper towels. There's a $1.50 digital coupon. As you can see, it goes to $4.50 for 3 as we're adding 3 into the basket. Now, if you wanted to grab their paper towel or other items that are attaching to the $1.50 coupon, I think they had plates and solo cups. You can do that as well. Mix and match if you wish. The toilet paper and paper towel, both fantastic wherever those are made. It's very similar to Sparkle and Angel Soft. So just to show you our gorgeous chorus line here, that $1.50 coupon comes off 3 times, so $4.50. If you need to load it a second time, how you're going to do that is go to the top of your coupons folder where it says household, and it should be itemized again if you've already used it. Using the code WAG10, we're saving an additional $5 off, so that's nothing to sneeze at. The overall total for your basket is $15. Subtracting all of that magic, $5.55 is melting off. I have a bit of tax, so $10.02. If I want to use up to $10 of Walgreens cash, I can. Doing this curbside to use WAG10, you're saving just a little bit more money, so I think that's definitely the way to go, considering a lot of us are managing our dollars and cents. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.